Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a 2019 to 2023 Jeep Renegade with the turbo engine. The dealer wanted to charge me like $100 to do it. You can do it yourself for like $20 with some tools, so I'm going to show you the way. First thing you're going to need is an 8mm socket and a little wrench. And that's going to undo, there's 4 bolts on the top of the engine up here for the air intake. Mine has 3 because I broke one, but anyways, you got 1, 2, 3. They take an 8. And then the air filter is going to be located behind this box right here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and undo our 8mm bolts up top right here. Now they do have a Phillips head on there, but I've discovered when you use the Phillips head, you can break the top of them. And that's what happened to this guy right there, is I broke the bolt. So definitely use a socket and not a screwdriver. Alright, so once you get those bolts off, you should be able to just lift up on it and it should just pop right open. There's some clips in the back, so you just kind of have to pull back. And then kind of slide it up and forward. And the whole thing should kind of just lift right in. There we go. Kind of like that. So there you go. So we just got back from a trip from the sand dunes here at Silver Lake, and I got a lot of sand in my car. And I can kind of see a lot on this little edge right here. So I'm guessing this guy is pretty full of stuff. Yeah, it's not looking good. So yeah, I'd say that's probably good to replace. That looks like it's separated there. Anyways, the filter I'm going to be replacing this with is this EcoGuard air filter I got off of Amazon. I think it was for around 20 bucks, it wasn't too expensive. But first I'm going to go ahead and take a cloth and just wipe out some of that mud and crap in there. Alright, there we go. That's looking a lot better now. Got all that gunk out of there. But yeah, that's pretty nasty. Alright, so yeah, look at the difference of that. This is the one that's been in there. That's the new guy. I put this one in February about 4 months ago. It's June now, so that is a pretty good difference. So probably every 4 months I should swap that guy out because that is pretty nasty. And there's like a lot of dust on the edges of this one, so I'm gonna just wipe down some microfiber. Just get all that dust off the outside lip right here. And yeah, so I'd say that's good to go in there. Right inside of there. And then just take the top cap and just tuck it down back in there. And you have to line up the little slots on the back side first. And then tuck it back down. And that's really about it. And just take your socket and tighten those screws back down in there. And there you go. So yeah, I don't know the exact torque specs on those guys, but just tell they're snug pretty much. And that's all there is to it. So yeah, that's about it. So if you want to change your own air filter at home, that's all there really is to it. And save yourself about 80 bucks doing that. And once you're done, just close her up. And you're good to go. But yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for hanging out, and hopefully this helps you. Have a good one. One more thing. Don't do what I just did and leave your ratchet inside the engine bay, because I'm looking for my tools to put them away. And yeah, kind of need that guy right there. There we go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.